Emily, a BIM manager, revolutionizes project efficiency with Familia's seamless automation. In the Avant Leap tab, watch as she clicks Join Family to effortlessly combine components into a cohesive composite. This precise operation maintains original placement integrity, aligning components flawlessly. At the touch of separate family, witness these composites disassemble back to their distinct parts, ensuring exact positioning and rotation within the model. Each stage of the process is streamlined, eliminating tedious manual edits and preserving design consistency. Finally, using place along curve, Emily distributes family types evenly along model lines, achieving uniformity with a simple click. Experience unparalleled accuracy and time savings. Famiglia, masterfully managing Revit families with confidence.